Hi everyone, welcome to my English class. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic that is called vocabulary. Okay, I think you all know what is the role of vocabulary in English language. It is very important part in spoken English, right? Because most of the time we are stuck due to lack of vocabulary knowledge, right? So I think I don't have to explain why it is very important to focus on vocabulary properly. So now, without wasting time, let's get started. Today I am going to emphasize on a very interesting part of vocabulary chapter that is called one word substitutes, right? What I have told? One word substitutes, right? What is the meaning of this? It means there will be a long sentence and we have to put a single word to relevant with the sentence. Clear? There will be one long sentence and we have to put a single word to the relevant with the sentence. Clear? So now let's start. The first one is having little or no sympathy, right? Having little or no sympathy. What is the meaning of this? It is very easy. It means a person who is very rude, a person who doesn't have any kind of sympathy towards other people, right? He is not kind-hearted person. He is not empathetic person, right? Which word we can put for that person? He is a very callous person, right? He is a very callous person. Understood? Clear? The next one is a person who has too much enthusiasm for his own religion and he disrespects and hates other religion. Understood? A person who has too much respect for own religion and hates and disrespects other religion, right? So which word we can put for this sentence? Fanatic, right? F-A-N-A-T-I-C, fanatic, right? Suppose there is a person around our life, he is very enthusiasm, he is only deeply enthusiasm regarding his own religion and disrespects and hates other religions. Then we can say he is a very fanatic person. Okay, he is a very fanatic person. Clear? The next one is to lay special stress on. To lay special stress on, right? What is the meaning of this? It means when we want to emphasize on something very deeply, when we want to give more and more important on something, like, so in that case, which word we can put for that? We can say emphasize, right? And it is very familiar word. I am sure you all know, you all are well known with the word, right? Because in our day-to-day life many times we use the word emphasize, right? So to lay special stress on means to emphasize. Clear? For example, today I am emphasizing on vocabulary portion. Clear? So I'm hopeful that you all have enjoyed the lesson today and I'm sure it will be very helpful. But before end of my video, I'd like to suggest to everyone, please learn vocabulary properly, because it is one of the biggest obstacle. Most of the time we are stuck during talking to people. Understood? So vocabulary is very important in English language. Even if you want to speak little bit standard English and if you want to use some good English, so it is very important to emphasize on one word substitutes. Clear? So I think you all have got the lesson very clearly and very properly. And yes, another thing also I would like to suggest to everyone, please practice to everyone. Okay, because most of the time I notice students are learning English grammar properly, but whenever it is about to talking to people, all students are completely blacked out. So my humble request, please practice, otherwise not possible. Every day read out, practice writing, and one of the most important thing is speak to everyone. Okay, because until or unless you do practice to anyone in English language, there will not be any kind of possibilities that one day you will become fluent in English. Okay, so if you have to become fluent in English, or if you have desire to speak in English very smartly, confidently, then I can suggest you, please read, practice and speak to everyone. Okay, I think you all have enjoyed the lesson today. So if it is helpful, please share your feedback and like and subscribe my channel. Okay, now I'd love to take your leave and I will be back with my next video. Thank you.